there, Christian from RackNerd. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, how to install Ghost CMS on your VPS. If you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly platform to host your blog, Ghost CMS is a fantastic choice. By the end of this video, you will be all set to get Ghost up and running on your VPS. And if you need hosting solutions, make sure to check us out at RackNerd.com. Let's get started. Alright, before we move forward with the tutorial, let me quickly tell you what Ghost is and why you should consider using it. Ghost is a modern open source platform designed specifically for professional publishing, making it perfect for bloggers, journalists, and content creators who want a clean, intuitive interface. It is incredibly fast and built on a lightweight Node.js framework that ensures quick load times, and it includes built-in SEO features to boost your content's discoverability. Ghost offers extensive customization options with a range of themes and plugins, allowing you to tailor your site to your needs. Its user-friendly interface makes content management easy even for non-tech users. Plus, regular updates and a dedicated community keep your site secure and up to date. Overall, Ghost CMS is a very powerful, flexible, and secure platform, making it a popular choice for managing blogs efficiently. Before we get started, make sure that you have a domain name and an Ubuntu server ready to go. You will need either an Ubuntu 20.04 or Ubuntu 22.04 server, but we'll be using 20.04 for this tutorial. Additionally, make sure that your server has at least 1 GB of memory for Ghost to run smoothly. If you don't have a server yet, head over to RackNerd.com for reliable hosting solutions and domain registration. We also have several guides on our YouTube channel that will help you set up your first VPS and domain name, or how to order one. Check them out before you begin to ensure you're fully prepared. Oh, and all the commands you'll need are also in the description down below, so you can easily copy and paste them as you follow along with our tutorial. Now let me go ahead and share my screen here and let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, first off, let's ensure that our server is up to date. Once connected to your server via SSH, run this command. This command updates the package list and upgrades all the packages to their latest versions. It might take a while, especially if it is a newly deployed VPS, so just be patient. Next, let's add a new user that we will use as our admin user. Ghost requires this step for security purposes. Do not use the same name, Ghost, as it will cause conflicts with the Ghost CLI. I'm going to pick Ghostly as the username and give it a secure password. Follow my on-screen selections. Now we're going to add this user to the super user group to unlock all admin privileges. Run this command. Then log in as the new user. Install Nginx by running this command. Next, install MySQL by running this command. Now we need to configure MySQL to have a password. Let's enter into MySQL shell with this command. Inside the MySQL shell, run these commands. Next, let's install Node.js. Please follow the steps on screen carefully. Now we can determine the version of Node.js to use. As of recording this video, the supported version is only version 18. Enter it here, follow the steps on screen carefully. Now we can perform the update and install Node.js. Run this command. Next, we'll install the Ghost CLI. Note that this can take a while, so just be patient. Once that's done, we can install Ghost. First, we need to create a directory for our site, change the site name to whatever you like. Next, run this command to change the directory owner. Make sure to replace user with your user you created earlier and site name with the name that you picked. Now let's set the permissions and navigate into it. Run the install command and follow my selections on screen for the prompts. Also, this may take a while, so just be patient. Once done, we will be given a link to our website to finish up the installation. Open it up and fill in the necessary details. As you can see here, our Ghost website or blog is ready to go. And that's it, you have successfully installed Ghost CMS on your VPS. Now you can start creating amazing content with this powerful platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. And hey, don't forget to visit us at RackNerd.com for all of your hosting needs, especially for Ghost or anything else such as WordPress. Our team is here and ready to get you started quickly. And thanks again for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.